Hey guys, this is Aadiyatic and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot this video after a really long period of time because of my fucking camera. And वो अभी भी ठीक नहीं हुआ है, but at least I can shoot. उतना clear नहीं दिख रहा है, लेकिन still I can shoot. I used to shoot my pictures using the back camera, which was really difficult क्योंकि मुझे सामने mirror place करना पड़ता था. Okay, so I am shooting this video in the month of February, which is also known as Valentine's month, and this is Valentine's week going on. I really wanted to do some Valentine themed shoots. So I went on Pinterest and I searched for some, but मुझे कुछ मिला नहीं, so I thought मैं ही कुछ बना लूँ. We're gonna do 5 shoots today, and I'm sorry for being inactive on YouTube. I'm really active on Instagram. Okay, I never procrastinate to post on Instagram, so I'll try कि मैं दोनों प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे वो अपना प्रेजेंस मेंटेन कर पाऊँ.
लिसन, आगे बढ़ने से पहले ना सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर देना एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड एवरी टाइम आई पोस्ट.
So the first shoot is indoors. First shoot is not gonna be a friend. I am just gonna wear a white shirt, a pair of pants. Backdrop is of brown color, which matches the vibes. I'm gonna use some flowers, artificial flowers, which are rose. Makeup is nothing, normal makeup. Let's go. Okay, so hey guys, we are ready for our first Valentine shoot. In the further slide, I'll show you all the behind the scenes, like how I did it, the breakdown of the shoot, and then I'll show you the pictures. So without any further blabbering, let's just move into the video. Are done with our first Valentine shoot. Now moving to the next. It's gonna be little Valentine color shoot because it includes pink and white. So we are also gonna use some balloons. Some balloon. It's really a balloon. Gonna place a white backdrop there. Also try to paste some balloons over there. I'm gonna wear a all pink t-shirt. I'm gonna use a pink scrunchie. I'll tie my hair, maybe, I don't know, वो मैं वक्त पर decide करूँगी. And the makeup here is, I'm gonna try this makeup look I found out from Pinterest, and this one seemed quite easy, but it isn't because मुझे makeup बिल्कुल नहीं आता, and मेरे को पक्का पता है I'm gonna suffer through this hearts. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, let's try, because try until you succeed. मैंने अपना अवतार धारण कर लिया है. Here's the pink t-shirt and I was wearing some shorts. But first let's do our makeup. I'm not changing here anything. I'm just gonna maybe remove my lipstick. And my lashes kinda look cute though. Sorry. Wanna be around. Also I used the blur lipstick here, which is kinda easy to remove. Some of my lipstick leaves stains on my lips and they look quite ajeeb, but this one's good, so I suggest you to buy one. Blur India, मैंने आपका प्रमोशन कर दिया, मुझे पैसे मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर दिया. She has put some pink eyeshadow under her eye. इसमें the line है eyeliner उसने ऐसे लेके she has been doing it like this, and ये वाले portion में she has made some pink and white hearts. It's gonna be difficult, people. First, let's do the eyeliner thing. Okay, so I did a little some jugaad here. This is brush of my eyeliner. Just washed it so that I can make the little hearts क्योंकि paint brush से वो possible नहीं है. I mean, I cannot do it. मुझे नहीं करने आता, तो we are gonna use this. I cannot make baby pink, so we are gonna make some white in the purple color. We had made the lavender color, so we are gonna put it here. Now we are gonna put some eyeshadow under our eye. पूरा look ही बताऊंगी, ठीक है? Okay, so we are done with our makeup. Eye kind of look cute. Eye makeup is quite a good. ये eye का थोड़ा सा बिगड़ गया. I'll now show you the breakdown of the shoot.
Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
मेरा मेकअप रिमूव करने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन we need to do it for the third shoot, and third one is also gonna be makeup shoot, but it's not gonna be a pink one, it's gonna be a red one. So I'm excited for that too. I'm gonna put a red color backdrop. I'm gonna wear a red camisole top. So let's just move into the next shoot. Yeah.
Haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echo.
So hey guys, I am done with my dress, and we are gonna do this makeup in the third shoot. This one is quite hard, but we'll try. Without any further blabbering, let's just move into the makeup.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
She made 2 hearts here, so we are gonna make that. We made 3 colored hearts, I mean filled hearts here, and 1 red heart at the end. So we are gonna do that.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you the eye makeup look. Now we are gonna get ready, and I'm gonna show you the whole look. Okay, so we are all ready, and I'm loving this look. मुझे ये भी मेकअप हटाना पड़ेगा क्या यार?
We'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, the fourth shoot is nothing but the sky shoot. We are gonna do it with 1 artificial rose flower, and then we'll later edit it in PixArt. I'll also put the tutorial on my Instagram, so do follow me on my Instagram. We are gonna wear a black skirt, a red shirt, and we are just gonna pose with that rose. ज़्यादा time taking नहीं रहेगा वो. Let's just go. Okay, so now we are done with the 4 shoots, and hope you loved it. The last one is also an easy shoot. It's an DIY shoot. We are gonna do some paper cutting work, draw some hearts on a paper, cut it. So now let's hop on to the last shoot. And this is our 5th shoot, which is quite easy, and it's gonna be a DIY shoot. I'm gonna show you the process next. So without any further blabbering, let's just move into DIY shoot.
So it's cute DIY time, guys. For this you need some A4 size paper, a pen and a cutter or scissor as per your choice. Draw some hearts on A4 size paper and then cut it using cutter or scissor as per your choice. And then wait for me to do my work maybe. Okay, we are done.
We have made this hearts which aren't perfect. We have this eyeshadow palette. We are just gonna make hearts here. We are gonna apply an eyeliner, a lipstick, and we are gonna wear our outfit, and that's it. And then we are gonna pose. We are gonna make the same on the other side. It is visible, okay? We are later gonna outline it with our eyeliner. Okay, so we are ready with our makeup. And now we are going to click some pictures. I'm ready with my outfit. We are going to wear my father's jacket in some pictures. So yeah, let's go. So we are done with all of our 5 Valentine shoots, and hope you guys will love it. If you do love it, please try it, and if you try, do tag me in your post. Yeah, this was it. Do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like, comment and share the video. मिलते हैं अपने next video में. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay home.